Hey class, Absolute 5 here. So today we are starting a new series now. So we went from calculus, I understood, because I wanted to not forget calculus. That's why I wanted to do it first. So let's start back in time from the very beginning of the fundamentals of math. So that's what this video series is going to most likely be called. It's most likely developmental algebra or pre-algebra or the fundamentals of math, either way. We understand where we're going with this. So this video series can be used for just about any level of understanding basic math. So let's get right into it. So ideally what you want to understand is a very basic thing. So let's understand what it means. What is a place value? What is place value? So let's say I gave you a number that's, let's say this much, 33,904, right? So place value specifically just talks about how each digit has a place value. So for the first number 4, the place value for 4 is ones. Think of it as categories. Here you have ones. The next one is tens, hundreds, thousands, and lastly, well, not lastly, 10,000. And you go further up the chain. Like, I'll give you let's just change the numbers. So let's add a 2 and a 1. Then we're left with 100,000s. And then we're left with millions. So hopefully you guys can see it. It's 1,233,904. So ideally what you want to understand is after every 3 place values, this is called a period. That's why we put a comma there to indicate we are leaving the ones, tens, hundreds. We're going straight to thousands, and then from thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. That period's over. We're moving on to the millions. So let's say I gave you another example. And I asked you to tell me what each place value is. Let's say I gave you 2 problems. 51, 4, 6, 3, 4. And I gave you another one. Sure. And I'm gonna underline this 9 here. And I'm gonna underline this 4. No, that's 3 here. So ideally what you want to do is take a second, I'll give you a second to pause the video, to tell me what the place value is for each one. Okay, so if you paused, I'm pretty certain you would have figured out. Let's do this one first. So the place value for this here would be tens, because that's where the 3 is located there. It's in the tens columns. And then for the 9, this would be what? 10,000s. So you want to be able to always remember how to do each one. Never forget. You got ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, and then billions, and so forth and so on. So that's the idea what you want to remember to do with place value, okay guys? So that's the lesson for you guys. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Always love you guys smashing that bell button so you get more content from me. And always share this video with your friends, family, or even other students or children that actually might necessarily want to understand how to do place values or any type of basic forms of math. So that's the lesson for you guys. This has been Absolute 5. I'm Roger Palomino. Math is infinite because there are infinitely many possibilities You all have a good rising. Take care.